Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can insert checkboxes into your documents and text on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. So guys, let's assume you're working on a document or form and you would like to insert checkboxes. Let me show you how you can do it. Navigate to the text document, click into the line here on your text where you'd like to place the checkbox, and what you'll need to do is enable the checkboxes as a tool. To do that, click into view here at the top, over mouse over toolbars, and from that menu enable form controls, and that is going to add this menu here to the left. So from there, look for the checkbox icon, this one here, click into it and position it here on your text like this with your left mouse. Now we can close that one here, and what you want to do next is double click into the checkbox to access its properties, and from here you may, for example, customize it, like the name, I don't know, checkbox 1, or we can go with example checkbox, something like this. You can assign a label here, a label field, text direction, make it printable, and so on. And so we'll go through that menu, and here under data there can be entered a data field, and also, for example, events, and that's basically it, guys. So you can customize your checkbox here and create these checkboxes using that option. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.